How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset or hard reset your Blue M8L tablet. The first thing that we want to do is to actually head over to the settings of our tablet. Now I'm using this simulator as a guide, and it's really simple. The first thing that you want to do once again is to open up the settings for your tablet. So you could navigate through your home screen and simply search for settings if you want to. But if you want to access it quickly, it's just going to be on your notifications tab right here. Once inside, generally it's going to be inside the general options. But in my case right here, you could also try navigating through system, navigating through something like the about tablet. But once again, in my case, it's just inside the system setting. Now, once again, in your case, it's going to be somewhere between the general options, and then we have the reset options right here, and just make sure to select the reset all data factory reset. And so guys, from there, you should be able to fix this problem. If not, you could try using the factory reset on the BIOS menu if you're locked out of your tablet, and you could just go ahead and press the power button and the volume down button on your tablet while the device is turned off, and you want to release the button until a display shows up showing different options. If that didn't work, you could also try the power up button, and once again just hold the button down until you see the screen open up onto those options. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.